Okay, you have clicked this video because you want to learn how to make cool thumbnails in mobile. So, I'm gonna teach you the same. The things you might need are an epic render of your skin. Don't worry, I will teach you how to get it. An app to edit your thumbnail, a mobile phone. So, that's all what you need. So, let's get into the tutorial. First of all, open a web browser and search Nova Skin Wallpaper. Just click the first link. So what this website does is it lets you make free 3D renders of your skin. This is a pretty handy tool if it comes to Minecraft thumbnails. So there are a large variety of templates here. You just need to choose one. After you choose what template you want, just scroll down and click the choose skin button and just search for what skin you want to add. After selecting your desired skin, just click the select button. After you have done that, just scroll down and click on the download button, and yeah, you just have a pretty good render of your skin. But this is not enough for a full-on thumbnail. So what you gotta do is add some text. I use this app called, but you can use any app of your choice. Now what are you seeing is me editing the thumbnail. What I did is just import the picture and just adding some text. Now I'm trying to add some effects to the text to make that look good. Some shadows and some strokes. It looks 10,000 times better now. What I would like to do is blur the background of the picture. Just add the same exact photo one more time and remove its background. Now try to overlap it with the background. Now choose your background layer and give it some blur. It gives the extra bit of pop to your image. Now it looks way cool. Also, you can add some transparent images to make your thumbnail more informative. And here you go. You have an epic thumbnail made only with mobile. This method can also be used in PC. If you want a dedicated tutorial on that, leave a like to this video. If this video hits 100 likes, I will be doing a thumbnail tutorial better than this on PC. Yeah.